Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again on a new video reaction. This is Biafran Liberation Army, and I want you to listen to what he said. He made it clear that on 10th of November 2024 is his birthday. So you can use the opportunity and wish him happy birthday. And please listen to his word of advice. Very, very important. I don't want the video to be too long because he spent quite a number of time to address Biafrans. So adding my own view, we made the video to be too long, which I don't think it would be nice. So without wasting much of your time, let's hear what he has to say.
My fair papa, fine. But as long as you're a youth, alright. The Bomulons and Mose Kalemono. Monetarily was it Lemon and then what and they get Lemon. As a common coyote, and Koene made in Mayagazi and Koene made in Jagazi Korea. This is Presos Kuga's official. Biafra. I just want you all to know that on 10th of December is my birthday. But I'm cancelling my this year birthday, okay? I will not be celebrating my this year birthday because it doesn't make any sense. It won't make any sense to me, you understand? So I can't see my DM tweet, I can't see my PM common space, you know. His face gives me joy, his tweet gives me joy. So without seeing him for these few days, you know, I'm not happy. So I won't be happy celebrating the birthday. I won't be happy, even though that I know that wherever he is, he's okay. But for the fact that I can't see him come online to tweet, you know, for whatever it may be, you understand? For whatever it may be. But I know he's fine, but I'm not fine. You understand? I'm not fine. So my this year birthday I won't be celebrating it, except he comes out to tweet from 10th of December, which is my birthday. But anything that makes him not to come online to tweet from 10th of December, so my birthday has to be next year. It has to be the next year. Understand? So I'm also dedicating this my year birthday to all the people who lost their life in this struggle. This year, I'm dedicating my birthday to all of you. You understand? May your souls continue to rest in peace. And to those who will also die for this Biafra to finally actualize, I dedicate this my birthday to all of you. I dedicate this my birthday to all of you. The only thing that I can tell you is to be very careful. Whatever you are doing, be very careful. This time we are right now is a very bad time. It's a very bad time. So you have to be very careful. If you're traveling to village, for those, I have already told you people not to travel to this year Christmas as long as you're from Igbo land. As long as you're from Igbo land, I won't suggest that you travel. As long as you're a youth, if you're a mama, if you're a papa, fine. But as long as you're a youth, honestly, I won't advise you to travel. But if you want to travel, you know, that is your own business. Whatever you see, you take. The village is not good. The village is not safe. I myself have not traveled to my village since 2021. So what are you rushing there to travel to? Whatever you're doing, you can do it in the city. For now, the villages are not good. The Nigerian military will kill you. The Nigerian paramilitary will kill you. These people got no joy. They got no joy. Whenever this Biafran Liberation Army and Biafran resistance fighter kill them, they go after innocent people. They start visiting people's home during the night, adopting young men. You people don't actually know what is happening in the southeast. Some of you are just on social media ranting up and down, same money by the soil in the southeast, this and that. The people that are causing insecurity in the southeast are the Nigerian military and paramilitary. But I don't know. Some of you don't even want to understand. Some of you don't want to hear. The people who are causing the problem are the Nigerian military and paramilitary because they are going after innocent people. They are going after innocent people. These people are going after innocent people and it doesn't make any sense. The Biafran Liberation Army who carry arms to come and meet you in your checkpoint and barrack and outposts, they come with a gun. They come and kill you. You cannot withstand them. You cannot kill them back. And after, you carry your anger on the innocent people. Does that make you a military? Does that make you a police? It doesn't make any sense. Because if you go to other country, when armed people attack the armed security men, they go after them directly. They track them and go after them directly. You don't see them going from one city or one street to street, adopting people or killing them. They don't do that overseas. They don't do that in other countries. It's only in Nigeria. It's only in some country in Africa. It's only in some country in Africa. In other country, when armed people kill security operatives, they track them until they meet them and face them face to face. You don't see them going and knocking at the people's gates and adopting young people. But you people in Nigeria keep supporting this nonsense. You keep supporting this evil. One day they will still come and adopt you. One day another people will kill them. They will come and maybe, unfortunately, they will meet you. And you will face this thing that I'm telling you that is happening in the southeast. When people that carries arms come to fight you, fight them now. They have arms, you have arms. So why are you going after people that doesn't have arms? Take it as a normal human being. Does it make sense to you? And some of you fool will even have the audacity to come online and say, should you people kill them? Why wanna kill them? You see how some fool, you see how some of these animals in Nigeria think. Why wanna go kill them? So you're justifying them going after innocent people. Anyway, I don't even blame all those police people and army people attacking and killing you people on any little thing. If you as a human being can have this mindset that people that has gone attack security people, instead of them going after people that attack them, track them and attack them, they go after innocent people that knows no, and you're justifying it and say, why did you people attack them? And you think they will keep quiet. God. See, let me tell you one thing. Whatever you used to point at other people, that is what they will use and point at you. One day, some people will attack police in your area or in your city. Unfortunately, you will be the first person they will jab and they will adopt you.
Okay, guys, I want to use the opportunity to ask you to beg you for you to click on the like button, like the video, and subscribe. So make sure you do that and comment. Of course, tell me what you think about what Commander is saying here. Very, very important. And thank you so much for your time. We are going to allow the video to continue. Thank you and God bless you.
They will adopt you because that is what you wish people. That is what you wish people. Instead of you to tell these people, go after people that attack you. Go after people that attack you. You people are your sticking point. You people are all armed, and people that carry arms come and attack you, and you can't even kill one of them. All you have to do is to carry your anger on innocent people. You're a youth, even if you're not a youth, you're going to born one day. You have a sister, you have a brother, you have friends who are youth. One day it will meet them. Don't cry that time, no. Don't cry that time. Don't say that there is insecurity in this. One day they will have. Some of your friends are coming down to East. Maybe some of your friends will be coming down to East this Christmas. Don't worry, it will happen to some of them. It will happen to some of them, then you can understand. Let me make one thing clear to you. Biafran Liberation Army don't attack innocent people. Biafran Liberation Army, Biafran Resistance, they don't attack innocent people. The only people they are attacking are only people who are with guns. The only people they are attacking are people who are with guns. So if your brother or your friend happen to die in the East and maybe the Biafran Liberation Army kill the person, ask that person if he travel with guns. Ask the person if he travels to East with guns. If it's true, then those are the people that killed him. But if your friend did not travel to East with guns, know the people that killed him are the Nigerian military and paramilitary or Ibubago. I can swear with my life on you about this. I can swear with my life on you about this. The people who are killing the innocent people, the people that are killing the innocent people are the Nigerian military and paramilitary and the Bugago people. I can swear with my life on this for you. If your hand does not stain with blood, these people don't come after you now. Sometimes those videos you see, sometimes you see them, you see some of their video that's trending online. You see how they come on taking point, do their own. You even see people videoing them. You even see some people staying one side and videoing them. Can you do that in where Nigeria Army and police are operating? Can you do that in where Nigeria Army and police are on operation with maybe armed people? Can you do that? But you see people freely bringing out their guns, bringing out their phones, videoing these guys, and nothing comes to them, nothing happens to them. Can't you see that these people, they don't go after innocent people? They go at those people they come for, and when they do their job, they go peacefully. I don't know how long we will keep telling you people for your brains, your empty brains to open. But we will keep talking. If you want to hear, you hear. Tell your friends who are traveling to East to be very careful. If you choose to travel, if you're stubborn to travel, please don't keep late at night. Don't keep late at night. Once it's 5 o'clock, be in your house. Don't go to any place there. Don't go to bar. Don't go to club. Anything that is less than, be in your house. If you're somewhere else and it is 11 and it is 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, please sleep in that place you are. Don't go back. Stay where you are. The Bubago people are everywhere in the southeast killing people. Be warned. Be warned. They are warning you now. You will hear. Be warned. Don't keep late at night in case you're stubborn to travel. Don't keep late at night. Don't go to bar. Don't keep late at night. Once it's 6 o'clock, stay where you are. Stay where you are. You people that doesn't know what is happening, we that knows what is happening is telling you now. Some of you will hear. If you feel like you want to travel to that east, don't keep late at night. Don't be in a group of where men and boys gathered. Don't be in a group of where boys gathered. Don't talk about anything that has to do with Biafra when you travel to your village. Don't talk anything. If anybody is talking to where you are, keep your mouth shut. Don't talk. There are spies everywhere. There are sabos everywhere. If people you're in the vehicle and people come and started talking about Biafra, don't talk. Keep your mouth shut. Don't talk. Keep your mouth shut. I am warning you now. Keep your phone in your home. Have a small phone that you're going out with. Have a small phone. Have a small phone. Don't go out with your Android phone. Have a small phone. Some of these Ebubago, they search people's phone. They search people's phone. I am giving you the tips now. They search people's phone. Once you travel, please, don't keep late at night. Don't carry your vehicle in case you buy no vehicle. Don't drive around with your vehicle. Keep your vehicle. You can enter Okada. I am warning you now. You don't know what is happening in the southeast. I am telling you what is happening in the southeast. You are the target of these Bubago people and the Nigeria army and police people. Their body, they pay them more. You don't know how this Biafran Liberation Army and the resistance fighters are killing them. Body, they pay them. Now you then go invent that their anger on. Now you, because you be able person, then go say now your brother they kill them. Then go kill you. I am warning you now. You no go here. I am one body they prepare them all. Now you then go use to do pepper soup. Then go adopt you. Then go adopt you. You sell your body part, sell your kidney and liver. I don't warn you now. You no go here. I don't warn you now. You no go here because some of you don't have sense. Then go adopt you. Sell your organs. So that is what they are trafficking guys. Organs. Because when they kill, they will not throw away all the people. Then go harvest your organs. So be warned. Listen to this video again and again. Send it, share it on WhatsApp. Send it to people who are traveling, especially young guys. I love you people, and that is why I'm warning you people. I love you people, and that is why I'm warning you people. And as for those who are coming to me, asking me what is happening to Bridge and what is happening, please, I don't know what is happening. Don't ask me any question. I don't know what is happening, and I don't care to know what is happening. I am in this struggle because of me, because of my children, because of the children that my children are going to born, because of the next generation, because of the children that your children is going to born. I'm not in this struggle for anybody. I'm in this struggle for me alone. Nobody is paying me. Nobody is giving me any money. I spend my money to do whatever you see me doing online. So don't come and ask me what is happening. I don't know what is happening, and I don't care to. So don't associate me with anything. I don't belong to any group. I don't belong to anybody. Anything outside Simon Eban Mazinan can count me out. I am just there doing my thing, doing what is right. I am not in this struggle for anybody. I do what is right. I do what is right and leave the rest to God. I do what is right and leave the rest. So whatever thing that is happening with great cabinet and everything, I don't care and I don't want to care. I don't want to know. Don't tell me. I do my stuff and I go. I do my stuff and go. don't ask me any question about what is happening. Go and ask anybody you want. Don't ask me. I don't care, and I don't want to know. Please, I'm begging in the name of God. Stop asking me. I don't know, and I don't want to know. I don't know, and I don't want to know. I don't know. I don't want to know. I don't belong to anybody. I belong to myself alone. And please, happen, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Oh, leave me alone. I don't know. God,